See, I'm trying to start my intro. But what is up? It is your boy, Mr. Impatient. I'm out here right now, about to make a nice little vlog. Not too much stuff, you know, seeing what the family doing, stuff like that. So, not doing too much stuff, but like I said, hopefully y'all like this new content going. Y'all seen what stuff like that, yeah. Hope y'all like this new content going, and you know, we're gonna keep this new content going and keep going. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and go ahead and hit the bell so you can get the notifications when I be uploading these awesome videos, left and right, new content. So we're gonna go ahead and do what we need to do with the video. What do you have on, girl? What is that? What you doing, baby?
I'm trying to learn how to bead some hair.
Oh, Lord Jesus.
I know I got two girls and I can't do no hair. I can't braid. I can't do none of that.
Oh, I knew it. Oh, goodness.
You see how the little one hair look? Hot mess.
Are you looking at YouTube?
Yeah. I gotta figure out how to do this.
Oh, goodness.
I'll cut you.
Savon.
That shit hurting.
Do you want what? Do you want beads in your hair?
Yeah.
Why?
I want pink. I want colorful. Not just silver.
Sky, what do you have on?
That's her expressing herself.
What is she doing?
Mom, what are you pulling?
You learn over that elastic.
I don't know what she's doing.
And then you will see a kind of
Oh, you done pulled a girl hair.
Why are you pulling my hair?
some kind
You finna pull my head out.
and see.
No, son.
I just grabbed the beads and slid them on.
Yo, Sky. Well, I'm trying to learn and trying to use this new tripod that I have. Got it from Amazon. I'm gonna have the link below for you to get it. It's a nice little tripod. It's real nice. Like I said, I'm just doing a little nice little vlog, and I don't know what she doing. Let's see.
What?
Scott, what are you doing? Oh, you did it? Let me see.
Nah, I don't believe it.
See that head, girl?
Stop!
What are you doing, bro?
What was that?
Nah, you drop your headphones.
I'm so fucking tired of this. Fuck this.
Ooh,
So you want one of them?
you gonna get in trouble.
I'm gonna boo it.
What are you doing? Bro, what are you doing?
You can't.
What are you doing?
You could do so. Get away.
Let me show y'all this tripod, right? So this is the tripod. So that's what I am using right now. It stretches out and all. But I'm end up taking my phone off the tripod and end up showing you. So you know, just hold on for that. Watch out for that video. So when are we doing the Chubby Bunny challenge?
I don't know.
You see, this is what I get. This is what I get.
I don't know.
Why are you looking so sad? What's wrong with that baby?
Because I told her not to move her hair.
Ooh, that boy, did that face.
Boy, if you don't get.
That I'm trying to do.
Oh yeah, you trying? She can't do that. Please,
That's
please
why I
stop.
did. You would
Somebody help. We need free hairstylist. Free hairstyles. Okay. Are you looking so sad, girl? Ooh. Ooh, what's wrong with that face?
I look like your face.
No. Shut up. Ain't nobody ask you nothing.
My hair look good though.
No, I don't. Who told you that? Hey, Sky. I don't know what she got on. Sky, what you got on? What you want to say? What you want to say?
Thank you.
Okay. Oh no. Oh man.
Sky, come here. Tuda, come here.
Thank you.
Hey, you better watch it.
She said, "Thank you."
You better watch it.
No, she didn't say that.
What she said?
Thank you.
This is what they eat all day. Pretzels. What are these, y'all?
Pretzels.
No, they're not. They're marshmallows. Yeah, they're marshmallows.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god, stop fucking lying.
They're
We
marshmallows.
have Chubby.
Want the kids some spaghetti? The kids some spaghetti. Hey, girl. Ah, it sucks. Sucks that still waiting
Mama.
on March to come. Still
Where to put the extra?
What you mean what I'm waiting on?
It's March.
When I run my car again.
Oh my god.
Zoom, zoom, boom, 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 boom. I run my car again. I cannot wait. So, like I said, hopefully y'all are liking that new content that's growing and stuff like that. And I appreciate all the support that I'm getting from y'all. I really do appreciate it. It's not a day that goes by that I says that what? It's not a day that goes by that I say, you know, I don't appreciate everybody from supporting me and stuff like that. I do appreciate it at all for the fullest. Like I said, I do appreciate everybody for the fullest, 100%. I wouldn't get where I'm at now if it wasn't from y'all. So, like I said, I appreciate everything that, you know, y'all do. I appreciate all that stuff. And I got another surprise from y'all. Like, yeah, another surprise, y'all. Another surprise. I had to get, well, I didn't get it. My wife did it.
Nah, I don't believe it.
Got me another YouTube shirt with my logo, of course. M as for Mr. and I for impatient. Then I have, it's hard to do it with one hand, but I'm gonna get it right today. Then I have YouTube Mr. Impatient 2018. So, you know, something new, you know, something different. I appreciate it. Like I said, it came from my wife, so, you know. Appreciate that, yes sir. Appreciate that, yes sir. But let me take this phone off and you know, show y'all this tripod right quick. Hold on.
One eternity later.
Set this up with one hand. That's really hard. Alright, but there's the tripod, and it has like 3 different ways. Let's see if I can. But yeah, y'all get the point. But it's real kind of tall. They got the way where you can do the camera, the GoPro, your phone, Got a little gadget where it goes tilt back and forth and it turns around. That's the whole review on it. Like I said, I really can't really kind of like do it because it's kind of hard to do it with one hand, but you know, you get the point. But the link to this tripod will be in the description below. So you know, check it out. It's real nice. I'm gonna be turn what off? You turn it off. I'm gonna be using it. So on my upcoming videos and stuff like that, I'm gonna be using it. So you know, just get ready. But you're not done yet.
You know, it's a lot of breaks. This is a difficult task.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
When you're not used to doing something like this,
No,
this shit
it's
is
not.
like decide to do this. I can't help it, Steven.
No, it's not.
Well, you gotta wait till I finish this. Hush your mouth.
Are you hungry? You'll be alright, girl. You about to eat.
Really?
What are those?
No, son.
Show them toes. What them toes? What them toes is? What your toes looking like? What them feet looking like? Let me see them feet. Let me see your feet.
Hey!
Don't worry about it. Hey, is that food, girl? Is it good? Is it luscious? Huh? Is it luscious? Huh? Is it luscious?
1 hour later, 2 hours later, 3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Well, this video has come to an end, you guys. So, yeah, right. This video has came to an end. But, like I said, if you're not, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And go ahead and hit the bell when you upload. So you can get the notification when I'll be uploading these awesome videos. And like I said, I just hope y'all liking the new content and stuff like that. Hoping I'm keeping some of the people that was already subscribed to my channel. Hoping I'm bringing people in. But so like I said, it's Mr. Impatient. I'm signing out. Y'all have a nice and wonderful, blessed day. Peace.